Hi guys, very good morning. It's a beautiful sunny morning here. As you can see, I am recording in front of the window It's because I wanted the sunlight, so there might be a bit of glare. Please excuse that. And I wanted to do a bit of a light topic today. It is a user requested reading. Um, Before I go into it, please excuse the noise because it is daytime and there is a lot of traffic around and it's going to be quite noisy. It's a light topic. I'm laughing because the topic is a little funny. So what we're looking at is, are they checking your social media, right? So please think of the person you have in mind. Maybe someone you're interested in, or maybe you have a crush on or something. Maybe you can keep that person in mind and check the cards. But the topic of today's reading is, are they checking your social media? All right. So in front of you are three piles. Pile 1 with the clear quartz, pile 2 with the citrine, and pile 3 with the green aventurine, right? Please keep the question in mind, pause your videos if required, and then we'll start. And not to mention, excuse my dog also because she's going to be barking all through the time. Okay, so let us start with pile 1. Are they checking your social media? All right. So pile 1 we have with the clear quartz. So let's see. Wedding. This situation involves marriage. Two of wheels, the two of pentacles, page of cups, and firm foundation. All right. Okay guys, so I hope you can see this. Okay, so is your person checking your social media? Yes, it's a very clear answer here. Yes, they are checking your social media. Maybe off and on, because I am seeing the two of wheels. So it's perhaps, like this person doesn't regularly check, but when they check, they might check, for some time or something like that. That's what I'm getting. For some of you, I have two scenarios here. For some of you, I feel this might be an ex or a spouse or something like that. And, with the wedding card, someone you might have had a firm foundation with, in the past, or you still do. And maybe you're not talking right now or something like that. So this person is checking out your social media off and on. All right. With the page of cups, it is a smaller energy. So it's not like they're spending the whole time looking at your social media or, stalking it or something like that. But this is a regular person. All right. They regularly check your social media. All right. If this is a spouse or someone or you have a relationship with. Now, the other scenario I'm getting is this is someone, if this is someone you don't know or you're not in a connection with, then this person has just started looking into your social media. With the page of cups, it's a starting energy. They have had some sort of a, initial spark of feelings, right? And they are growing. This person actually is kind of in this process of wanting to come towards you, or something, and before that they want to know more about you. They want to have a firm foundation about who you are, what you're doing, what you're all about, so that they can come forward with this proposal of a wedding. This person has pretty intense feelings for you, I sense. Pile number 1. All right, with a firm foundation here and the wedding cards here, maybe this person is someone who wants to have a future with you. This person wants a firm foundation with you. They want to, they're looking at you, as a future partner or something. And because their feelings are so intense, I feel this person is sort of dilly-dallying and going yes and no about coming forward, with their feelings to you. I'm also seeing that, this person's back is turned. So, you probably don't know who this, for some of you, I feel you don't know who this person is. And, but because they don't want to show who they are, because their back is turned, right? And they are dilly-dallying about this. So I feel that, this person, for some of you, I feel this person also wants to come forward to you when they have a firm foundation themselves, so that they can have something solid to offer to you. All right. Mind you, I think this person might not come forward with their whole feelings. When they do come forward, they might not tell you their true intentions, their serious intentions, as a matter of fact, but they might just approach you as a page. Okay, they might just be very casual about it, very friendly or flirtatious, right? But this person has very serious intentions, and perhaps that's the reason why they are not approaching you, or they're having like a back and forth energy about wanting to contact you. Because this person wants to, firstly, they want to be at your level so they can provide for you. They have a firm foundation. They have something to offer to you, which you will be impressed by, right? And secondly, I feel this person is not the kind of person who's, this is not a person who approaches people just like that, right? So when they come to you, they are going to come with something significant, with something solid, right? A firm foundation. And that's probably the reason why they have not yet approached you. If for some of you, if they have not yet done that, then it's because this person is trying to handle their own lives, their own foundations, right? Because I have a very strong feeling from this pile that this is the person. This person is looking for a partner, like a serious connection, right? But strangely, with the Page of Cups energy here, it's like this person is like two-faced. Okay, so if you are in touch with this person, then maybe they're showing you a very casual sort of a picture to them. Okay, they might be being flirtatious or whatever, friendly, casual, funny, even, not really showing their true feelings actually. But this person wants this. They want a firm foundation. They want a partner. They want two equals. And that's, so there is an energy here of them firstly trying to be firm in their own lives, and secondly get to know more about you as well, right? So yes, they are watching your social media. I do feel that this person wants to know more about you. They want to know more about you. Maybe after some time they are going to approach you as well in a very casual sort of way if you don't know them. If you know them, then this person definitely does watch your social media, and quite regularly. I am not seeing that, like they do this every day. I do feel that, once in a while this person does end up, like they are tuned in. They might be seeing, like, all of a sudden they might be having an urge to see a lot of your photographs or a lot of your videos or whatever it is, and then there might be a gap in it, right? But this person is definitely watching your social media. This person has their sights set on you. I have a very strong feeling with these two cards here: firm foundation and wedding. This person in the future might even come up with a proposal for marriage, or even just a friendship. And right now, I think because their intentions are so serious, I feel this person is kind of dilly-dallying, maybe because they're not sure how you will receive it. And that's probably the reason why this person will contact you as a page, as something casual. But they want this. I'm seeing this woman like really surprised. So it's possible for some of you that when this person comes through to you and tells you what their intentions are, you might be surprised. Okay, you might agree. Of course, it's entirely up to you, but you might be surprised. And this person looks very, very, if you look at this card, this person looks very, very convinced, right? So they are going to be very convinced when they come forward. It might be you who might be taken by surprise. I also feel this person might be someone who has a firm foundation. I mean, if they are not working towards it, they might already have a firm foundation, meaning that they might be coming from, they might have set up a pretty good, they might be having pretty good financial standing. They might be traveling, I feel, once in a while, back and forth, maybe interstate, intercountry, whatever. This person travels. They have a very good foundation when it comes to their career and their business. And now I sense this person is looking for settling down. I mean, I'm getting a settling down vibe here, So this person has their eye on you for purposes of settling down. But somehow, they might not show that, I feel. They might just be a little casual because this person is serious, They don't want to they don't want to like reveal their feelings so easily because they might get hurt. With this firm foundation, I definitely feel your person is someone with integrity, with a good like this is not a player. I'm not getting a player energy. This one has come up the long hard road. They've kind of scaled the mountain, I'm hearing. Okay, and this is a very strong person. So if you do accept, I feel you're going to have like a very beautiful connection in the future, a very firm connection, very firm foundation of this connection in the future. I do feel this person doesn't stay here, where you are actually. This person might be traveling back and forth, I feel. But more so, I also feel that, it's like this person feels emotional about you and then goes and checks your social media for quite a while. That's the kind of feeling I'm getting. And then, like when they're better, they trail away. I'm also getting that this person dreams of, when they see your social media, they dream of a firm foundation like this, of getting married. This person is a dreamer. I'm getting a very strong energy of a dreamer here. Right? They are dreaming of, when they see your social media, they're dreaming of this perfect future where they can provide things for you. They get married to you, and you guys travel, maybe vacations. This person's dreaming a lot about you, pile one. I also feel this person dreams about getting in touch with you if they haven't already. They kind of like, I'm getting that they play these roles in their head, how they are going to approach you, what are they going to say, to impress you. So yeah, this is funny, this is sweet actually. And probably because, they have all these dreams, this person in real life, is kind of like a back and forth about coming, because there's so much they have kind of built up, about you. What else am I getting? Anything else? This is an incredibly sweet topic, I must say. For some of you, I feel this person might even be married. You might be asking about a married person, and if you are, yeah, this person is looking at your social media, and in that scenario, I feel that this person might be wanting to contact you and start off a friendship, because they are checking out your social media, but I'm not getting any sense in that scenario that they want to get into a wedding or something, because I feel in that scenario it's like this person has a firm foundation and they want to start something like a friendship with you, right? For some of you, and they're kind of dilly-dallying because there might be a hint of attraction or something, or maybe their partner doesn't like it or something like that. I'm getting that third scenario as well, that this person is like watching your social media, but they just want to, they're dilly-dallying about having a friendship with you because they're already settled and they don't want to disturb that. Okay, but mostly, pile one, this person is definitely watching your social media. They're in tune with it, right? And they want to strike up a connection with you, which might lead to something very strong in the future. Okay, so this is what I'm getting for you, pile number one. Now let's go to pile two. So pile 2 is the citrine. Very soon, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Death. Seven of Cups. And solar plexus chakra. Okay. So pile 2 is this person watching, is your person watching your social media. I feel pile 2 that your person used to watch your social media quite a lot in the past. With the Seven of Cups, I'm getting they were constantly watching, almost on on the verge of obsession, constantly watching, and it got them a little confused, as to what do they have to do about this connection, right? I feel you might have known this person. For a lot of you, I feel you might know this person. Even if you don't know this person used to watch your social media a lot, I feel, and at one point of time, and they got very, very confused, and everything was up in the air. Probably you guys were not in touch with each other, and they were watching that social media, and it kind of made them feel powerless. It kind of made them feel confused and powerless, as to what am I doing? I mean, this is just an obsession or something like that, I feel, right? And so this person has stopped it now. With the Death card, I feel this person stopped it, or at least stopped it for some time, because I'm seeing like a regrowth here. So I feel that it's once again coming up. They could not stop. Like at one point, I feel it was obsessive, and then they totally stopped, and now it's coming back again. All right, with this growth here. And now I feel that this person is kind of gathering their courage. Maybe this person did not have, the courage to approach you, or the clarity to approach you at a certain point of time, right? But now, when they detached from your social media, this person is now building their courage so that they can come to a point to decide whether they want to come to you or not. Okay, and they're going to take this decision, make this decision very soon, I feel. Right? It says clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you. So this person is they used to watch your social media, they stopped, and then I think they watch it sporadically but not much. I'm definitely getting that they don't watch it too much, because it's up to, I mean, it's like their confidence is kind of coming down when they do that, because I think you guys are not in touch or not friends, or this person is confused about what to do about this connection with you, right? For some of you, I'm also getting that maybe, this is like you guys are in the public eye, and this person used to watch a lot of your social media, but then they stopped because, they felt powerless, and they might approach you in the future if they decide to. If they have the confidence enough to do that, they will approach you, because I do feel this person has feelings. That's probably the reason why this person was watching your social media so much, right? For some of you, I feel this person might even decide the other way, like with the death card here. It's possible this person might just decide not to go with this. I'm getting that for a very few number of you, but for most of you, I'm seeing this person in a state of confusion and lesser confidence, right? I do feel also that if this is for people, if you know this person that you're talking about, if you, for some of you, I feel you might have had a relationship with this person at one time, and then things didn't work out, or there was a gap or something like that. And during that gap, this person missed you a lot, and they checked up your social media almost obsessively, maybe too much, I feel. And that kind of, I think, that person might have come to that point where, after seeing your social media, either they felt empowered to go for this connection, and if that is the case, they're going to come to you, and some of them might have felt less empowered, and in that case they might not go for you. So there is like a dual energy here, because this person, I feel, is not yet decided, all right, whether they want to do anything in this connection about you or not. This person is confused, right? I also feel for some of you that this person might have, I mean, you might have had a breakup with this person, and they're deciding to whether to come back to you or not. That is if you have known this person. But very strongly, I'm getting drawn to the solar plexus chakra. This person has confidence issues. All right, this person has confidence issues, and that is the reason why I feel when they check out your social media, they go all out. All right, and that kind of makes them feel lesser confident. It doesn't make them feel good to do that, right? And then they stop. So there is like a stop and start thing going on here. And it has something to do with confidence issues. I really feel that. And this person, I feel, is nearing the phase where they're going to stop being so confused and finally decide what to do in this connection. I also feel for some of you that this person might be a bit intimidated because of your confidence, because of the way you carry yourself, and they probably might be feeling that you might not give them the time of day. So there is a fear of rejection here. So maybe that is the reason your person is just watching your social media and not wanting to come out and tell you about it. All right. So there is something about this person. I think this person has, in general, if it is not a breakup with you, this person has gone through something, something very intense in their life, and probably, in any area. I mean, it could be in any area, and this person is like kind of building themselves, their confidence again after this, intense period that they went through in their lives. They're building their confidence again. So it's a little tough for them to very clearly decide to come towards you, right? Because they have been a little hurt or scarred in some way, and now they're kind of building up their confidence. So maybe for some of you, I feel that you should give this person time. I feel this person might also be thinking of the various ways that they can connect with you. If they have already decided that they want to come towards you, then I feel that this person is thinking of the various ways that they can connect with you and get this thing going. I do feel they have, they're thinking of a lot of options here, and they need to decide on one option, the one that they feel comfortable about. So yeah, I definitely feel that this person was checking out your social media a lot. All right, for some of you, I feel that this person was not at all checking out your social media, and suddenly, something made them confident enough to go ahead and start checking out your social media, and now they do it very, very regularly, maybe even obsessively. For some of you, I'm getting that kind of a scenario also, that at one point maybe this person didn't do anything about this, didn't check out their social media, but now that they are, they have decided to go for you. So now they're trying to gain as much information as possible about you, so that they can come forward and have something to talk about with you, right? There is something to do with confidence issues over here, right? Either this person is very, very low in confidence, and that's why they do this checking on the social media, or this person is overconfident, overconfident, and doesn't want to be confused when they come towards you. Sorry guys, my video cut out. So yeah, so either this person is very confident and they want to sort of decide the right time to come forward, or the right method to come forward to you. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing for you. Pile number 2. All right, so pile 3 with the green aventurine. Love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Excuse my throat, guys. It's a little raw. 6 of Cups. Okay. 9 of Wands. All right. Transformation. Okay. Okay, so pile 3 is your person watching your social media. Well, I'm getting a very strong no, as a matter of fact. I feel you know this person with the 6 of Cups. I feel you know this person, and probably you guys are in some sort of a gap or in some sort of separation right now. With the transformation card, this is the death card of the tarot. So I think you are in some sort of separation right now, and it could be a breakup also, if it's a romantic situation. But your person is working on their self-confidence, is what I'm getting. Right? This person is like, I feel for some of you you had a very strong friendship with this person. All right, so I'm getting a few scenarios here. You had a very strong friendship or a very strong relationship with that person, um, and then something happened, right? There was an abrupt ending, or it sort of broke up, or something like that. And now this person is waiting to build up their self confidence, and so they are not doing anything. They want to sort of, you know, phase this feeling out. All right, because I feel this was a pretty serious connection. I mean, with the Six of Cups here, I really feel this could be a soulmate or something. Could probably even, like, you know, someone who, it was, maybe it was a very intense connection and it kind of triggered you or something like that. And both of you split apart to work on yourselves, right? I do see the mirroring energy here. Perhaps you are also doing that and they are also doing that, and both of you are probably wondering, you know, are you guys checking out each other's social media? But I don't think so with this pile. I don't think so, actually. They are actually waiting to reconnect, maybe to, you know, like, totally transform this connection after working on themselves. Or maybe they're waiting for you to work on yourself and then, you know, like, come back to them. There is something intense in this pile. Okay, I don't think this person that you're talking, I mean, that you're asking about, I don't think there is any sort of an immaturity or I don't know. I just feel this person's a very strong person, and for them, being face to face with you is more of a tangible and better option than to see your social media. Because as it's like, you know, this person would rather talk to you face to face, even if they have to wait for some time. This person would, you know, like, rather talk to you face to face rather than to, you know, check out your social media. This is a very strong, very clear sort of a pile. For some of you, I'm also getting that, you know, maybe you are not on social media. Maybe you're not on social media or something very much, and, you know, this person is waiting. They wait, you know, for the time that you upload some things, and then they see it, you know, and then they're like totally, you know, there's something so familiar about you, you know, that they wait for your next uploads. For some of you, I feel it is that, but for a very small percentage of you, I feel mostly that you know, you guys know this person. But if you don't know this person, I feel that this person does see. They might have even you know, maybe saved some of your photographs or something, and they keep looking at them, like, in their own you know, free time. If you don't know this person very well, this person could have been very transformed by, you know, their connection with you. There's something about you that's very familiar to this person, I feel. Okay, and they kind of get a little shaken up, I feel, when they see your social media, so they don't do that very much. You know, it makes them feel a little lesser in some way to do this or something. I don't know. I'm getting that kind of an energy that they kind of brace themselves. This is Nine of Wands is a person who's literally like bracing themselves, right? So there is a quality here of your person deliberately not wanting to check out your social media because it kind of shakes them up in some way. Perhaps you guys, you know, I don't know, you just have that intensity of impact on this person, I feel. And you know, and they would like to, but I feel they don't. Okay, maybe because it's a, you know, because you broke up, you guys, or if you don't know this person, maybe there's some past life connection or something like that, you know, and they don't want to sort of, you know, upset their balance or something. But whatever be the case, this person, you know, avoids. I feel they avoid looking at your social media deliberately. They want to do it because there is something about you that this person finds very familiar, very comforting, you know, stuff like that. But they stop themselves, I feel. For some of you, I feel this person is not watching your social media, but they are building themselves up, transforming themselves to come back and reconnect with you. All right. So this is there's not anything related to the question really. This person is just, maybe they're not much of online people, maybe they're not too much into looking into social media accounts and stuff. They would rather do this face to face, is what I'm getting. Even in this even in this picture here, I see this person face to face. I mean, it's almost like the feeling I'm getting here for some of you is that this person is working on themselves and they want to come, they're waiting, right? They want to come and kind of, grab you. Okay, not grab you, I mean, sweep you off your feet or something like that. When I see this, love yourself first and 6 of cups, it's like this person is kind of transforming themselves, making their self-respect, getting themselves to be more attractive and more respectful so that they can come to you and then reconnect. All right. But in terms of social media, I'm not really seeing that they watch your social media or at least watch it too often. I do feel this person might be having some photographs of you if you know this person. Even if you don't know this person, I think this person, might be seeing once in a while, but something, they don't like doing it, I feel. I really feel they don't like doing it, right? So they avoid. So this is a pretty clear sort of an answer. Am I getting anything else? Yeah, guys, I'm really not getting anything more than that, right? I mean, I think this person is they're really in the mode of transforming themselves, and or they want to sort of work on themselves and come and transform this connection face to face. But in terms of social media, I don't think this person watches too much of it, at least. I don't think they ever did, to be honest, right? This is not the kind of person who watches social media too often. They would rather be face to face. They would rather be face to face and doing things. And they're probably waiting, there's some sort of waiting, some sort of resistance to sort of, go ahead and watch social media. But I do get a strong feeling of some of them, they might have watched your social media to reconnect back with you. Maybe this is a very old friend or something, or an old connection, and they're waiting before they get in touch with you. And maybe that is the reason they might have watched your social media, maybe once or twice. But I don't think in this pile that they're watching your social media too much, guys. This is more of a face-to-face person. All right. This is very clear. I mean, I really am not getting too much here. All right. I hope that was useful, guys. I will see you very soon and have a lovely Christmas and New Year ahead. Bye-bye.